Today my topic is present continuous. Let us see the definition of present continuous. Action which is happening now. The tense which is used to express the action which is happening now is called present continuous. And one more thing we have to remember in this tense. The action which is going on now can be considered only action which is happening, which is going on. In this, three things we should remember and which are very important. Is, are and am are the helping verbs in this tense. V1 plus ing, we know that V4 is the verb form in this tense. Now and nowadays are the keywords in this tense. What are the keywords? Now and nowadays. For is, am and are, for is we have to use he, she, it pronouns. Are, you, we, they. Am, I only. After that, we have to know how to frame questions in this. I will give this information in the next video.